Cooking. Some people hate it, some people love it. Here are 3 reasons why I like to cook. The ingredients. There is a beauty in the natural ingredients from the earth. Whether it's fruits, vegetables, or protein, it is amazing to think that all these are from the earth. Some of these are plants that grow from the ground, and in its natural form, some of them taste so good. Each natural ingredient has its own distinct flavor. Today I'll be using strawberries. The tartness and sweetness from strawberries are unrivaled. That is why strawberries is often a favorite fruit among children and even adults. The second reason is the art. How each dish is made is like an art project, where the plate is your canvas, your ingredient is the paint, and your knife and your pans are your paintbrush. It all comes down to different ways of slicing, heating, or cooling down the ingredients that you have. With the intentional or sometimes unintentional method of slicing and heating, you can get an unlimited amount of dishes. There are so many ways to just cut one ingredient. You can julienne, dice, mince, round, wedge, or cube. And when you add the different ways to heat up food, it makes the possibilities endless. You can roast, bake, or grill. These are the dry heat cooking techniques. Then there are the moist heat techniques, in which some moisture is added, usually in the form of water or oil. These are sauteing, broiling, pan frying, deep frying. You can also boil, simmer, steam, or poach. Today I'll be simmering my strawberries in cream. Then there are cooking techniques that use a combination of dry and moist heat. These are braising, stewing, sous vide, blanching, and smoking. It is up to your creativity and technique and how you manipulate the food. Like in painting, with just your paintbrush and paints, you can create anything you can think of. Cooking is often a learned skill from parents, grandparents, friends, but it can also be self-taught with experimentation or YouTube. At first, you might follow a recipe, but when you feel confident enough, you can make your own twist. I often see cooking as my creative outlet. It is creating something beautiful and tasty from my knife and pans. Cooking is an art piece that is meant to be shared and enjoyed together. The art piece does not always come out as expected, nor does it even come out tasty. As it takes time to be a good painter, it takes time to be a good cook. Your dish might come out well the first try, but it often takes a couple of tries to get the dish how you want it to be. And sometimes, like in painting, it might come out as a disaster that is not even edible, but that's okay. Each mistake is a mistake you won't make again. Like any skill, it takes time, but enjoy the process of learning and improving. Enjoy each ingredient that you wash, each slice on the chopping board, and every ounce of water boiled. The third reason why I enjoy cooking is the friends. Food brings people together, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Food always tastes better in the presence of others. My favorite part of cooking is seeing my friends enjoying the food. Being able to not only satiate their physical hunger, but also be able to bring them joy. That is my favorite sound to hear after my friends eat what I have prepared for them. Some people ask me what the secret ingredient is. It might sound corny, but it truly is love. I believe food is the 6th love language. In the end, if you focus on these 3 elements to cooking, the ingredients, the art, the friends, you can enjoy the process of cooking more and more, and your food will taste better. At the end of the day, there's nothing better than a meal especially prepared for you.
Do you do autofocus?
I don't know.
it's on right now. Might be.